Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So, you guys want to talk some yarn? Yeah, I do. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. So I have some new yarn. Well, it's relatively new from Herrschners. And I like Herrschners a lot. I don't know if you've ever bought from them. I buy from them time to time. But they had a few new yarns. And I have heard from a couple other podcasters that they have really upped their quality of their branded yarns. So I'm ready to check it out. Last time I got their branded yarns, they weren't bad. I noticed an up in quality. But now they have some new ones. So let's see what they have to offer. So they sell these on Herrschners.com online. Now, I'm not affiliated with Herrschners. I'm not affiliated with any yarn company by choice. I bought this all myself. I don't have affiliated links. I don't even care if you buy the yarn. I just like showing it to you and talking about it. And eventually I put it in giveaways. So let's start off. Or I make something with it. Alright, let's start off. So they had a new Christmas pack. If you know me, I love Christmas yarn. I really, really, really love Christmas yarn. Oh, I really love Christmas yarn. So, this was in a value pack. And this value pack was $9.99. Let's open it up and see what it's made of. So, it's made of their Herrschners worsted yarn. Happy Holidays edition. I don't feel bad. It's 100% acrylic, a medium weight number 4. Sorry. 3 ounces, 85 grams, 183 yards, or 168 meters. Machine wash and dry, made in China. So yeah, that actually feels pretty good. Softer than their regular. They have a Herrschners yarn, their regular Herrschners 8 and Herrschners 12. And it's not a bad yarn either. It's actually a good deal for the amount of yardage you get. It can be a little stiff, but it softens up after a wash. This one actually feels pretty good. So for $9.99, I got 6 different colors. So I got the cream one. They sell these individually too, I believe. So this one's Eggnog. Good name. This one is Candied. It's like a burgundy. Ooh, pretty. Cranberry. Appropriate. Then we'll go to the greens. We got a linen. Pretty. Pine. Beautiful. And one more. Fern. So these were all for $9.99. I like it. You could put these all together. And at, what I say, 160, 170 yards. That's enough to make you a nice little 183 yards. Nice little Christmas project. I like a shawl or a wrap or something like that. I'll incorporate all these colors together. I like it. Good job, Herrschners. So that was new this year for Herrschners. I'll put them back in later. Okay, I'm gonna move on. And then they had some new Herrschners worsted stripes yarn. So this is their regular worsted yarn, but it's in stripe formation. They do sell them individually, and then they sell a palette pack. A palette pack is one of each color. So I did get the palette pack because it's a bit cheaper, not much, but a bit cheaper if you buy it that way. The palette pack was $54.99 for 12 balls. Or you can buy them individually, which I will tell you how much they are individually. They are $4.97 individually. So these are, the stripes is 100% acrylic, 8 ounces, 226 grams, 489 yards, so almost 500 yards, or 448 meters of a medium weight number 4. And it's made in China also, and it feels Okay, similar to the regular worsted 8 yarn, but I think it's a bit softer than normal. So I like that. So I'm going to show you the colors, and I'll do one up on my knitting machine, and we'll see how the stripes play out. This one's called Flourish. It's pretty. It's kind of hard to see how they're going to play out though, isn't it, the stripes? And then we got Frosty Autumn. Ooh, that one's pretty. Which one am I going to do up on my knitting machine? I don't know. This one is called Snowbird. Very pretty. I do like, I see one I really like on that. Oh, and these all have center pull tabs too. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. So that's always nice. This is called a Moroccan. Pretty. This one is beautiful. These are my colors though. Fiery Canyon. Ooh, that's pretty. And then we have, this one's bright. Beach Day. Nice. That does look like a beach day, I guess. Christmas. I really love Christmas yarn. I really like Christmas yarn. Very Merry. Pretty. I like that. Then we got, I really like this one too. It's pretty. I like them all. Serenity. That one's pretty. It's a little messed up, but Seashell. Seashell. And this one's pretty neutral. I like it too. It's called Neutrals. Very nice. Very nice. And this might be the last one here. This one's called Sizzling a Sunset. Let's see. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's one more. Here it is. How could I forget this one? This one's beautiful too. Foliage. It's like fall foliage. I'm going to do one of these up on my knitting machine and show you what it looks like. But before I do that, they have another couple new yarns. So they got the stripes, and they also have one called Gradient. So I'm going to show you what those look like, and then I'll do one of those up on the knitting machine also. So they sell the Gradient in palette packs. It's where you get one of each color, $54.99 for 12 colors, or they're the $4.97 a piece. No, I'm sorry. The Gradient is not that. I'm so sorry. The Gradient is 10 balls for $44.99 or $4.97 a piece. So let's check if these are the Gradients. So I think everything is pretty much the same. They feel fine, scarfable. As the stripes, as far as yardage and everything, it's probably just the way it looks. Like I said, I'll do it up on the knitting machine so we can kind of peek. But 100% acrylic, 8 ounces, 226 grams, 489 yards. Yep, everything's the same. Medium weight number 4, 100% acrylic, Gradient. So I got 10 colors of this. Coral Bouquet. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. And this one is beautiful. These are my colors. Pumpkin Patch. Ooh. Lots of fall colors here. Purple. Grape Jam. Love it. I'm interested to see. Ooh, I like this one too. Beautiful. Sunrise. I'm interested to see how gradient they are and how stripy the other ones are when I do them up on my knitting machine, which I'll do them up here in just a second. This one is called a Fabulous Fuchsia. Pretty. Pebble Beach. I like that. It's kind of a taupey color. Dark taupeys and different colors of taupeys. Taupe. And then we have, this one is called Jungle. It's got some dark up in there. I'm interested to see how it plays out. And then we have Calypso. I don't know if I said that right, but very pretty blues. And this is another blue called Marina. Those are different though, you could tell there. All right, well, I got one more gradient here. This one's very neutral, and it's called Graphite. I like that one too. All right, I'm gonna show you. They had some worsted jumbo yarn. Okay, I have never gotten their big jumbo yarns before. Now these are, I believe, are $6.97 a piece. Feels actually pretty good, even softer than these other ones actually, but they all feel better, way better than what Herrschners worsted, regular worsted yarns used to feel, like I said, a little stiff, but these all feel quite nice. They really did step it up. Yeah, that's scarfable. So, like I said, this one is called Dark Moss. It's 100% acrylic, 12 ounce, so it's a 12 ounce ball, 340 grams, 743 yards, or 680 meters. Yeah, 100% acrylic, medium weight number 4. Very nice. So that's quite a bit of yardage, 150 yards there of a medium weight number 4, 697 is what I do believe they are. I will check to make sure. Okay, so these are $6.47. I can't remember. That's why I said a piece and asked for like 750 yards. I like it, of a medium weight number 4. So I did get these colors to go together. I don't know if they match. You guys can let me know in the comments. Kind of looks kind of like winery colors. Like, I don't know. Dark moss and plum wine. This can be the grapes and this can be the leaves. I think they'll go good together on a project, actually. I like those. And then I got these to go together in a project. I got, these are the worsted, all the worsted 12. I got these browns. Put them in order here. You know I love brown. Brown's my favorite. Brown's my favorite. Yeah, I had to get a small one. They were out of this dark one and the big one, but yes. So this is espresso color, and the dark one is, I'm going to put them all together in one project. I already know what it's going to be. This is walnut, and this is pecan, and this is sandstone. All right, and then they had one more new yarn. No. Yeah, one more new yarn I wanted to show you. Huh. Okay. And this was called Herrschners Worsted Tiki yarn. So they had them in bundles, or you could buy them by the ball. So by the ball, they're $4.97. And in the bundle, which they have them all color coordinated in the bundle. You get 4 balls. They're $18.99. So they are the same. They are 100% acrylic, 8 ounces, 489 yards, all the same. It's just they have them color coordinated for you. I'm not sure why they call them antique. It says, give projects a vintage vibe with expertly coordinated shades that appeal to modern day stitchers. Each yarn pack includes 4 shades of worsted antique yarn, 1 in each of the colors shown. So my pack that I got is called, which one did I get here? Bonfire. So it has the orange, the red, the yellow, and this one is called Bonfire. And they have a total of 4 packs. But I like this one the best because I like fall colors and stuff like that. So that's pretty. $18.99 for these 4. That's not a bad price. All right. I'm going to do up these on the knitting machine real quick. I'll be back in a flash. All right, I'm back. So I made these on my little Addy machine. So they're not very thick. But just to give you an idea, this is so striped. It's actually quite pretty. So it's just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different color stripes in it. I imagine each cake has the same number of stripes. Pretty consistent there. Now remember, this is done on a knitting machine, so it'll look a little different depending on what knit stitch or what crochet stitch you're doing. But I like that. That's pretty nice. Colors go well together. This was the Moroccan color. And this is their gradient, which I like also. Now the gradient is, it's like all the same colors, but just different, you know what I mean? So this is just different colors of green, and this one here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, they're kind of mixed up. They're not going in order here. Maybe they are. No, they're not. I don't know what order they're supposed to go in. It looks like 4 or 5 different colors here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different colors. 4 or 5. But yeah, but they're all of the same color family. So you can see these are all greens. But, and like a gradient yarn should be, you know, kind of all the same color, but just kind of, it looks striped, which it is striped, but it would be defined as a gradient, I guess, because it's all the same color family of green. So they're gradient, like they have the blue, which would be striped up with blues, but all different colors of blue and stuff like that. And it feels nice. I know it looks giddy on my little Addy, doesn't it? It's made for, the little Addy's good for socks, and probably work for, I don't know, arm warmers. People wear those. Kind of look like sock puppet, Kermit the Frog. I like it, I do. I think that's pretty, and it's nice and scarfable. It smells clean. Who doesn't want to smell soft smelling clean yarn? I like the stripes and the gradient. I like all the yarn, that new yarn at Herrschners. I think they did a good job on all of them, and they have stepped up their game. They're a lot softer than what they used to be. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed my yarn talk. I will see you on my next video. They got some new yarns coming out I'm super stoked about, and I think you will too. And as soon as I get them, you're going to be the first I show. So I will see you guys on my next video, okay? Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye, guys.